Welcome to Liberty Speaking YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce ourselves. Formal introduction. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabie. What's your name? I hope you have answered me. The question, what's your name, is used when you don't know someone. But normally, it is applied that people will meet and introduce immediately. When you meet someone without asking any question, you can either say, "Hello, I'm Jean de Dieu," or "Hi, my name is Jean de Dieu." In today's lesson, we will focus on formal introduction and personal information. When you want to address people, you can start by calling out, starting from their titles. For example, Mr. John, I'd like you to meet Dr. Peter. Notice the rising intonation on Mr. John, I'd like you. Mr. John, I'd like you. Notice that here you are addressing to people. That's why the intonation is raised. Mr. Peter, I'd like you. Notice that D, listening for D. That D is the short form of would. So the word I'd like means the same as I would like, which means the same as I want. So sometimes when you are with many people, it may be immediately necessary to introduce those people, as you start by Mr. when it is a man, Miss when it is a woman, Miss when it is a girl. Now it is time to practice. Are you ready? Remember, when you want to know someone's question, you say, "What's your name?" "My name is the answer. So now I hope you enjoyed the lesson. This time we are going to practice in a conversation combined with daily life or personal information. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Marijn Sebastian.
How do you spell your first name?
My first name is spelled as Marijn.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
From which part of the Netherlands are you from?
I'm from the eastern part of the Netherlands, near Germany.
What language do you speak in Netherlands?
In the Netherlands, we mostly speak Dutch, of course, as it is the main language of the country. Secondly, English, a little bit French, and a little bit German is spoken in the country.
Well, how many languages do you speak by yourself?
I speak Dutch, English, basic Kinyarwanda, and basic German.
When did you come to Rwanda?
The first time I was in Rwanda was in 2016, and in total I have now 2.5 years in the country.
What do you like about Rwanda?
I like the culture, the nature, the people, the hospitality that is around. I'm very happy to be here.
What touched you deeply when you arrived in Rwanda?
Yeah, there's still many people that are struggling, trying to make the money for daily basis. They can't have the food every day. It's hard to see, I have to be honest.
Where do you live in Rwanda?
I live in Nyamirambo.
What do you know about Nyamirambo?
Nyamirambo is very busy. There are a lot of people moving around. Many small businesses are there. And yeah, it is a kind of the hipster neighborhood from Kigali, as they say.
Thank you. What do you do here in Rwanda?
I'm the founder of CC Jobs Foundation. We are aiming to reduce youth unemployment in Kitega neighborhood.
Thanks. Where is your company located?
The company is located in Kitega itself. It's near downtown.
How long have you been running this company?
Yeah, in total we had plans for 2.5 years. Yes.
From which age do you sponsor the Kitega youth or the Rwandan youth?
Yeah, the starting age is around 17, and we have no limitation. It's about motivation and eagerness.
How many youngsters have you supported so far?
In total, we are now on 27, and we are preparing a new group of 30.
Oh, that's really appreciated by all Rwandans.
I'm glad to hear. That's why we are doing it. We want to help reducing youth unemployment.
Are you here in Rwanda alone?
No, I'm together with my wife. We live together in Nyamirambo.
Do you have any children?
At the moment, I don't have any children.
Oh,
Yes.
that's okay. Thank you. And do you have any questions to ask us?
So, what is the program exactly about, if I may ask?
Well, as you heard, this is Liberty Speaking TV. Our purpose is to teach languages, no limitation. Even Dutch people are welcome to learn our language. Anyone is welcome to learn anyone's language. We can also learn Dutch language. You can also learn our language. As you said, you can speak basic Kinyarwanda.
Yes, I'm glad to hear, and I'm wondering if it is accessible for everyone.
Oh, that's good. It is accessible for everyone because either African, European people are welcome to this YouTube channel. It is aimed at teaching how to speak. That's why most often people will come here to talk. Either Dutch people will talk in Dutch or English, so that those who want to learn Dutch will learn from them. Even Ugandan people will come to talk on this YouTube channel, so that those people who are interested in learning Luganda will also learn it. So all languages are here, no limitation actually. So it is accessible to everyone from the world, worldwide.
That's fantastic. I appreciate your work, and I wish you the best in your journey.
Luckily, this YouTube channel has been running for only 1 week. And as you can see, if you can see onto the subscribers line, we have almost 100 views, 100 subscribers, which means that all Rwandans are ready to learn languages.
That is great news. I'm very glad for this.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
By the way, what would you advise the Rwandan youth?
I would advise them to be encouraged and to look for opportunities themselves in all around the country. The opportunities for scholarships, the opportunities for jobs. But we have to go out there and apply and make sure that that you are visible and that you are motivated, and to explain your objectives. And in this way, I think you will have a bigger chance.
Thanks. On behalf of all Rwandans, we appreciate your support.
You're welcome. Let's keep up the work together.
Thanks once again. You're welcome next time to join in with the next session, either in Kinyarwanda or English. And we'll be happy to have you here in Kinyarwanda class as well.
I'm glad to be here too, and I would like to come back when possible.
Thanks once again.
You're welcome.